Hi, today I want to talk to you about something about making baked potatoes in the microwave. Now, I have three potatoes here. As you can see, I already have them with some holes in each end and on the sides. I have three here. Now, what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to make a DIY perfect potato bag, but I'm not using a bag. Now, if you want to use a bag and you don't want to use those perfect potato things, some people say they work, most people say they don't. So I wanted to make a DIY potato cooker for the microwave. Hopefully this will keep the ends of the potatoes from getting extremely hard. Um, I don't know how well this is going to work, so I just thought I'd give it a try because, well, it's almost lunchtime and I figured I have some baked potatoes. Now on the lid here I have 8 holes drilled. They're really small holes with a 1/16 drill bit, and as you can see it's really small. This was actually a 3-pack. I still have 2 more drill bits. They are put away. I only needed the one, and once I opened the pack here to use the bit, the other bits fell out, so you know, I know where they are. I just had to dig for them, but this is a 1/16. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 3 potatoes in here. Now, stacking them this way probably ain't the best idea, but I want to see how well it works. Alright, I'm going to put the lid on. I'm going to put it in for approximately 4 minutes. That's what the perfect potato bags say they take. Now remember, this is not a bag that's completely sealed. What I'm wanting to see if the lid actually melts, blows off, whatever. And remember, I'm only putting this in for 4 minutes, and then I want to check these potatoes. If you use this method, if it works like I hope it does, I'm hoping this keeps the edges and the ends of the potatoes from actually getting really hard. My girlfriend likes baked potatoes, and normally when we make them in the microwave, the ends are so hard neither one of us can eat them because it just hardens up so bad. So, we talked about buying one of those perfect potato bags, but with the reviews I have read, a lot of people say they just don't work, or it takes a lot longer to cook than just cooking it in the microwave. Now, on each one of the potatoes, I do have holes punched in with a fork on each end and each side. So that's 4 sets of holes that I made with a fork to keep the potato from absolutely exploding. Because if you don't let that steam out of the potato, it will more or less basically explode in your microwave. And I'm hoping this keeps it from doing all that. Now remember, this is a real cheap plastic that's not really made for this. This is just an experiment to see if I can make something that will actually cook these potatoes. I don't know how well this is going to work. I've never done this. I can see steam inside the microwave. I don't know if you can see that or not on this camera. I apologize. There's no light in here. I have every light on in this apartment. Our light fixtures in this apartment are actually bad, so part of them don't really work. I did end up putting another light up there, but that's not really helping me over here. So I apologize for the quality of this video. But can you make a good baked potato without buying one of those perfect potato things, or making it in the oven? All I'm trying to accomplish here is making a soft baked potato that is not hard on the ends or so hard you can't eat it. Because when I make baked potatoes for her in the microwave, that's how she wants them done because it's fast. They are just so hard. Now once this goes off, I'm going to check these potatoes, and I guarantee they're going to be extremely hot. Once again, this is not really made for this, but can you do it? I don't know. I'm fixing to find out. We got 50 seconds left. I hope this camera didn't restart. If it did, I apologize. This thing's just a piece of junk. 33 seconds. Once again, I don't know if this is going to work how I want it to. As long as it makes the potatoes good to where they're cooked, they're soft enough for me to eat. You know, it's almost lunchtime. So I figured, I'm going to have some potatoes here. Now, I guarantee this will be a little bit deformed from the steam. Oh, that is going to be hot. I can already tell. I can see the steam just... Wow. That's really toasty. And you can see the top. Wow. I don't know if you can see the steam coming out. That's pretty close. Ow. Okay, this one right here is definitely done. It feels done. So I'm going to put these back in. As you can tell, this one right here is starting to be pretty close to being done. I'm going to put these in for another 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Now remember, these perfect potato things say they take 4 minutes or longer. So I'm going to put this in for another 3 minutes, and we're going to see what it does. It did not seem to deform the container too bad. And once again, the reason I'm making this is because we thought about buying one of those perfect potato things. Now, once again, when I was younger, we used to throw baked potatoes in just paper bags and throw them in the microwave when microwaves costed a whole lot more money. And it helped keep the ends from getting so hard. That's what I'm trying to attempt now. I'm trying to use some type of container to where the steam can actually escape and it actually gets soft and cooked, but the ends aren't super hard. Now that was extremely hot. I don't know if another 3 minutes is going to be too much. So basically, I'm leaving 3 potatoes in for 7 minutes, and I'm going to see what it does. These are not super large potatoes, but they are different sizes. So, they will cook at a different pace, I guess you would say. But can you make something at your house out of just stuff? If you want to make something. I don't see why not, as long as you have a way for the steam to escape so it doesn't blow the lid off, as long as you have holes in your potatoes so they don't explode. Now, I do understand this type of plastic isn't the best for a microwave, but will it work? I don't know. We're fixing to see in about 55 seconds. I don't know if you can see the top is bubbled up a little bit. The steam is escaping out the top. Oh, this is going to be really hot. But the plastic does not seem to be melting, which is good. That's something I wanted to test. But I can definitely tell there's steam. Now, I apologize for the length of this video. I tried to get this as short as I possibly could. It's, 10 minutes long already, and I apologize for that. Oh yeah, you can definitely see the top is bubbled up there. Wow. I don't know if you can see the steam. Oh yeah, that's definitely cooked. Oh. Damn. Oh, hot. Okay, let's check them. I got a fork here. Wow. Let's check the ends. It goes right in. Now the ends aren't so hard. Look at that. Nice. Now this one is the biggest one. Unfortunately, I maybe should have cooked that one for a couple more minutes. We'll see. No, it's good. Alright. It seems good to me. You can adjust the cooking times. If you have to cook a little bit longer, what I do is I take it out and rotate them. And like I say, there's 3 potatoes here. The ends are not hard at all. I mean, that is what I was just trying to accomplish. Here's the inside of the lid. I have 8 holes in here. Oh, that is really good. And once again, it's a 1/16 drill bit. And this is made out of just an empty Imperial butter bowl. Or a margarine bowl. Anyway, that's it. I'm fixing to eat. And I hope everything turns out okay for you. Yeah, I'm definitely going to put cheese and butter on that. And it is really nice. Once again, you can adjust the time for your microwave or however you want. Just keep an eye on your bowl. Make sure you have holes in the top. And I did use a 1/16 drill bit. And that's it. I'm fixing to go and make my food before it cools down. And everyone have a good day. Bye.